turns it upside down very quickly. Because now she's completely under control and can't get away. When the shearer starts to shear the sheep, he'll start by removing the belly wool first. Once the belly wool has been shorn off, it's kept separate from the rest of the wool. This is because the belly wool needs a different processing from other wool. The reason for this is because the sheep will lay down on its belly and pick up a lot of rubbish from the ground, mainly vegetable matter, grass seeds, birds, prickles. Very hard to remove from the wool. In a commercial shearing shed, there's more than one shearer. There's usually 4 or 5 working together, and we call them a team of shearers. They start work at 7:30 in the morning, work for 2 hours, have a break, a cup of tea, work for another 2 hours, and so on for an 8-hour day. Up onto the head now. When the shearer is shearing around the sheep's head, he is being very careful of their eyes and their ears. The neck is the most difficult part of the sheep to shear. As you'll see, the handpiece goes underneath the wool.